In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add screen recording shortcut to the control center, right here. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off head over to settings. Then scroll down a bit and tap at Control Center. That's where you can add shortcuts to the Control Center. To do that, just search for a shortcut you want to add in More Controls, and once you find one, just tap at the plus sign next to shortcut's name, and what that will do, that will move this shortcut to included controls, which means that this shortcut has already been added to the control center. We can easily check that by swiping down from the top right corner. As you can see, I have just added screen recording shortcut to the control center, and now I can tap on it, and after a 3 seconds countdown it will start recording my screen. I can stop screen recording simply by tapping at the shortcut or at time widget, and then by hitting at stop. That will save a screen recording video to the camera roll. And then also we can go back here and change the order of these shortcuts simply by dragging them up or down in that way. And that will also change the order of control center shortcuts. Also in here, if we want to delete a shortcut from the control center, we can just tap at the minus sign next to shortcut's name and then select remove. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.